Please remain on the line.
For coronavirus help, including information about quarantine checkpoints and travel-related questions, businesses reopening, returning to work, testing, or other resources, press 1. For the Get Food NYC food delivery program, press 2. If you're calling to report storm-related damage, fallen trees, sewer backups, or missed garbage collection, press 3. For information about unemployment benefits, press 4. To speak with a Department of Finance property tax expert, press 5.
But there's no money.
For information about the city's air conditioner program, press 6. All other callers, please remain on the line.
Are you calling about alternate side parking regulations?
What? No.
Now, briefly tell me what I can help you with this morning. You can say things like subway information or...
I would like to make a noise complaint.
All right. A noise complaint. Please hold while I transfer you to a 311 representative. This call may be recorded for quality purposes.
Thank you for calling 311. This is Jahid speaking. Are you calling to make a noise complaint?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And who's making the noise? Is it coming from a neighbor?
Well, yes. You see, I'm staying at a hotel, and another person in another room is making an incredible amount of noise.
Okay. You live in the same building?
Well, I'm staying here for a while, but yeah.
Okay. Do you hear any fighting, suspicious screaming, gunshots, or explosions?
No.
All right. Once you make your report, officers from the New York Police Department will respond within 8 hours when they are not handling emergencies. They will be able to take action if the noise is still happening when they arrive. If you make multiple complaints within 8 hours, police may only respond once, okay?
All right.
Also, many buildings have rules about noise. You can contact your tenant association, building owner, or super if a neighbor in your building is often noisy. What kind of noise are they making, ma'am?
Don't know, just pretty sexual noises.
Okay.
Yes, my darling. I know them personally. They're pretty annoying.
What time did it start?
Dang, probably months ago.
What time did it start tonight?
What time? 6:59, I would say. What time is it now?
It's 6:11.
Oh, yeah. I'd have to think.
Okay.
Probably about 4:30.
4:30?
Okay. Yeah.
Is this a recurring problem?
Yes, very recurring.
Do you realize that it happens on certain days at certain times, or does it vary?
It happens every day of my life.
Every day at the same time or different times?
I've lost track at this point, but today it happened at 4:30.
What's the address?
Well, it's at this hotel called the Has-Been Hotel.
Okay. What's the address?
Okay, well, my fellow, you see, it's in hell.
I'm sorry?
Yes, it's in hell. You know, my fellow, I don't think you understand me very well. Thank you. Goodbye.